The BARAYSTUS Crack Weeder Tool uses a slim, angled blade that slips easily into tight joints between pavers and concrete so you can clear out weeds and moss that hand pulling usually misses. Its hardened, high-carbon steel head with a protective coating shrugs off abrasion and moisture, giving you a sturdy tool that stays sharp and resists bending, even with regular use on rough surfaces. The long stainless steel handle keeps you upright instead of crouching, which makes extended weeding sessions much easier on your back and knees, while still giving you precise control in narrow gaps. Because the L-shaped blade can push, pull, slice, and hook, it handles everything from shallow moss to small taproot weeds without constantly switching tools. The tool is especially handy around driveways, sidewalks, patios, and stone paths, where it reaches into crevices that are too narrow for standard hose or hand forks. Cleanup is simple, because soil and plant debris do not cling much to the smooth coated metal, so a quick wipe or rinse gets the weeder ready for the next round of garden work.